kids, welcome to our Smart Kids Learning channel. My name is Shirisha Manekar, you call me Shiru. Today we are going to learn wild animals and their sounds. Let's start. Which is the king of animals? Yes, this is lion. Next is the national animal. Who is the national animal? Yes, this is tiger. Next is larger animal. Is correct. Elephant. Which is next? Can you guess? Yes, this is bear. Which is next animal? Yes, this is wolf. Can you guess the animal? Yes, this is fox. Which is tallest animal? Yes, this is giraffe. Which is black and white animal? Yes, this is zebra. You can guess? Yes, this is kangaroo. Next is again black and white animal, but so cute. Is panda. Next is, can you guess? Deer. By the way, our third animal is lion. Which is your favorite animal? Write down in comments. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. Bye.